From your very first day at Osler, there's no shortage of choices. You get to really drive your own career path.
Je ne sais pas exactement à quoi ma carrière va ressembler ou à quoi ma pratique va ressembler, mais c'est exactement ça que j'aime chez Osler, c'est que je sais que j'aurai l'opportunité de créer ma propre histoire et j'aurai l'opportunité de créer une pratique qui représente mes intérêts.
Everyone I met at Osler, they've been so unapologetically themselves. It feels like they will always make space for you and make sure that your voice is heard.
You're working with all these big clients, you're seeing everything on the news. As soon as you walk in the doors, you realize everyone's door is open. You can speak to them, everyone's friendly. I believe that every single person here wants to see you succeed.
The partners that I've worked with have sat down and spent hours with me, going over documents and really invested their time in my learning.
It's very hard to not be able to find anyone who looks like you or thinks like you or has your similar experience. And if you find that person, and you inevitably will, that sense of community and that warmth that I felt when I joined Osler was a big surprise.
There's so much emphasis on mentorship opportunities, and people here really want to help each other and lift each other up and are really invested in each other's success.
Toutes nos équipes nationales, que ce soit le talent juridique ou nos groupes de pratique, travaillent en étroite collaboration. Ça fait en sorte qu'on travaille dans ce modèle à un seul cabinet.
So the one firm model is sort of a buzzword at Osler that is sort of sacred. And a lot of that is the commitment to work together, to respect each other, and to make sure the work finds its way to the person that has the capacity and the expertise to do it, no matter where they happen to be situated. Mentorship is core, again, to our whole identity and to the whole life cycle of the firm over time.
It's really important for me to make sure that the associates and the students really get to contribute to the teams in a meaningful way. And that means allowing them to take on more responsibility when it's clear that they're ready for it, giving them opportunities to be client-facing or to get on their feet in court or in an arbitration.
On est incité à donner notre opinion. J'ai remarqué dans des recherches, des plans d'argumentation, qu'est-ce que moi je pense qui pourrait être un bon argument à soulever, puis de sentir que ça a une influence sur la stratégie langue dans le dossier. Donc, c'est une belle marque de confiance.
To be an organization that attracts a diversity of talent, nurtures that talent, and enables people to thrive will be the winning organization in Canada.
We've been around for 162 years. It's kind of an extraordinary thing, but it only continues to exist because of a continuous day-by-day cycle of one generation bringing along, training, and ultimately handing the reins off to the next generation below it.
You know, I'm a big believer of it takes a village, and I think how we approach the student program at Osler is the perfect example of that.
It's a firm of excellence. It's a firm that's based on client service, and if you want to operate in an environment that is at the top of its field, if you want to do groundbreaking work and you want to really build good relationships along the way, this is where you want to be.